Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, available from the In 30 Minutes cheat sheet store. Today I'm going to be talking about recovering a deleted video or photo on your iPhone. If you could take a moment to follow my channel or like the video, I would appreciate it. And this works on recent versions of iOS, so iOS 14, 15, etc. So let's say that these are all of my videos and photos I have on my phone. And let's say that I want to delete one. I'm going to delete this one right here. So I decided I no longer need it. I'm just going to press the delete icon in the lower right corner, delete video. And then I realize, oh no, that's a video that I want to keep. How do I get it? So here's how to do it. If you come to this screen, your library screen, tap albums in the bottom, and then scroll down. And you may see lots of things like this. You want to scroll to the very bottom, and you'll see under utilities, the very last item is recently deleted. Tap that. And these are the photos and videos that you've deleted in the last 30 days. It keeps them for 30 days, just in case you change your mind, and then they're gone forever. So here is the video that I just deleted. I'm going to tap recover in the lower right corner, recover video, and then it is back into my collection. This is actually a similar video. I could recover that. I could actually go through and recover everything if I wanted. So this is how to do it. It's a great way to save space on your iPhone if you want to delete stuff. But if you change your mind, you want to recover it later on, that's how you do it within 30 days. This is Ian Lamont for In 30 Minutes Guides. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube. And you can see more of my videos and blog posts on in30minutes.com or the cheat sheet store or on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching.